What's up guys, and welcome to the very first unboxing of a smartwatch on our channel, and it's the Realme Watch 2 Pro. We bought it from Amazon, so let's quickly unbox it. So here we have the box all wrapped up in plastic. Removing that, on the front we get this watch branding and it is a black color strap. On the sides we have some more info, like it's a space gray watch. It has a 390 mAh battery and it says made in India, although Realme is a Chinese company. Now moving on the back, here are some more in-depth specs and feature list. It has a 1.75 inch of display, which is an LCD panel, high precision dual satellite GPS, which stands out because what that means is you don't need to carry your smartphone while going for a run or while cycling, because it can track the distance and route by itself. It has got 90 sports mode, 14 days of battery life, which is again nice, blood oxygen sensor and 100 plus watch faces, which is again a nice thing, and it works via Realme Link App. So let's open the box and we have the watch on the top. Let's remove the watch from this really tight packaging. So here it is. Ready to hear the sound? Here we go. This is the watch from the front side. It has the shape like an Apple Watch and the band quality is nice and decent. It is something that you expect from a normal watch to have. It's got a big Dare to Live branding on the strap, which I am not really a big fan of. And at the back we have our sensors to track your heart rate, SPO2 and other things. Again we have a Realme branding this side, and I think the black straps and space grey combo looks really nice together. Looking at the sides, we have the colored power button / home button, which I like, and on the other side there is nothing. So I will power up the watch now. Interesting, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, there we have the Realme logo. So select your language and then you will get a QR code which you need to scan from the Realme Link App. And for that, go to your phone and download the Realme Link App if you haven't already. Opening up the app, you will get some permission request and it will ask for your location. That if you don't have an account, you need to create an account first, while if you have an account, then you can sign in directly into your account. Now once you successfully log in, click on link a device and it will ask you to turn on your Bluetooth, turn on your location. And after that you will see the Realme Watch 2 Pro on top. Click on that and the pairing process will start automatically. Now if you want, you can enter various details and personal info so that the watch can better understand you. Agree to the legal terms again and whole lot of permissions. After that, we will enter the main home page of this watch, so let's check it out. We will go inside this face gallery, and as said on the box, it has tons of watch faces to choose from. You can go ahead and customize the notifications of different apps if you want. These are the 90 sports mode it mentioned before. As you can see, tons and tons of different scenarios you can choose from. Below that, we have the watch apps and reminders for various things if you want. It can remind you to drink water, or if you are not active for about an hour, or maybe when you have reached your fitness goals. Choice is yours. If you go in the more functions, then you can find some interesting functions like camera controller, which I'll show you in a minute. We will check the watch first. So here we are, and this is the default watch face. And if I show you the UI, it's very simple. Just swipe in from all the 4 directions. So if you swipe from the top, you can find all the notifications just like your phone. Swipe from the bottom to access the different watch apps like SPO2, heart rate, sleep tracker and alarms. Swipe in from the left side and you will find the quick toggles like brightness, torch, DND and settings, and swipe in from the right to access your different widgets. Now you can definitely customize the widgets and also reorder them or even remove them if you like. Now let me just show you that camera controller feature which I mentioned before. Now for it to work, open the camera app on your phone and open the camera controller from the bottom on the watch and just click the shutter on the watch and it will click the picture on your phone. That's nifty feature to have always. Now for charging this watch, you will get a magnetic charger in the box. Just slap your watch against it and it starts charging. I like this method a lot as it's a hassle-free method. Moving our attention to the fitting, this is how it would fit on your hand. There are a lot of fittings provided, so even if you have slender, invisible thin wrist like me, even then this watch will fit easily on your hand and it does look good on my thin wrist too. Talking about the display, I wish it had an AMOLED display just like my Galaxy Fit 2 here. AMOLED displays are just more pleasing to view, especially on wearables where you mostly use it as an ambient display to view time and notifications. So on Realme Watch, entire screen lights up every time you turn it on to check your stuff. And also, I don't think the heart rate monitoring is continuous as the Galaxy Fit 2. It might be auto-detecting after every 15 or 30 seconds, but it is not continuous. See, the heart rate on the Fit 2 changes frequently as compared to the Watch 2 Pro. So minor details is what you find on Techyy Anish, and that's why you should always subscribe to the channel for more amazing details. So guys, this is how it looks on my hand from a distance. I hope you get the idea. So guys, if you are planning to buy this watch, I have given the link in the description box below. Use it, it does help the channel. That's all for this video guys. As always, if you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because the next video is just around the corner. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon.